Big moves are coming for Ethereum, and trust me, you want to hear about this. All right, so first up, get this. Ethereum is getting a major upgrade in December. We're talking about something big here, folks. This ain't just a little patch. This is a serious step forward for the whole network. Think faster, smoother, more efficient. For anyone who's been watching ETH, you know this is huge. It's all about making the network stronger, ready for what's next. It shows the commitment to keeping Ethereum at the forefront of innovation. And speaking of Ethereum, get this validation. The former chief investment officer from BlackRock, BlackRock, one of the biggest investment firms on the planet, he just came out and said Ethereum is the future of finance. Let that sink in. This ain't some random guy on the internet. This is a heavyweight from traditional finance giving a massive shout out to ETH. It tells you something big is brewing. When these old school finance titans start talking like that, it means they're not just looking at crypto anymore. They're seeing it as the next big thing, a fundamental shift in how money and assets are going to move. Now hold up, because there's something else that's got everyone talking. And while it ain't directly crypto, it sure as hell highlights why crypto is becoming more and more important. The White House just dropped a bombshell saying the federal statistical system might be permanently damaged, and the October jobs report, gone likely, never going to see the light of day. Think about that for a second. When the very data we rely on to understand our economy is compromised, when trust in the official numbers starts to crumble, where do people look? They start looking for alternatives, for systems that are transparent, immutable, and not controlled by a single entity. This kind of instability in the traditional world just makes the case for decentralized systems like what we have in crypto even stronger. It's a stark reminder of why we need options. So what does all this mean for you, for us, for the whole crypto space? We've got Ethereum pushing forward with major tech upgrades, getting endorsements from the big players in traditional finance, and meanwhile, the old guard is showing some serious cracks in its foundation. It's a powerful combination that really sets the stage for what's ahead. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own homework before making any moves. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.